Hey everyone, it's Trish with Bird Feed. I am really excited you're here with me today. It's a gorgeous day outside today here in St. Louis. I hope it is for you too. Spring is right around the corner. I've got a pretty big Amazon wish list donations haul to share. I've been dragging my feet and it's about a week and a half. So I'll try and go quickly. But stick around to see what my viewers have chosen to send for the Operation Christmas Child shoeboxes we're packing together and that I'll be unboxing all year. If you're not already subscribed, consider subscribing so you don't miss any ideas and inspiration for your Operation Christmas Child shoeboxes. So we'll start with what was received a week ago Wednesday. I forgot about these. These are fish stringers. These will go into the fishing kits I'm putting together. And if you don't know what they are, you string your fish on them after you've caught them so that you can hang them into the water and they'll stay alive and fresh until you're ready to bring them home and cook them up. And these were sent by Denise L. Thank you. Thank you so much for that. And on Thursday, a week ago Thursday, I received 2 packages. Yes. Oh, good. Oh my gosh. Joan Cowan sent calculators. She bought all 5 that I had on there. Okay, I need to go back and slip one. I want to put calculators in all the 10 to 14 shoe boxes. Well, as many as I can. I don't think I have as many on my wish list as I'm actually doing boxes for. But I think I can still fit one in the Lucky Leprechaun soccer shoebox that I just did. So I'm going to go back and slip one of those in there. Thank you so much, Joan. You do so much for these kids and our shoe boxes. I really appreciate these. Then also on Thursday, I received, oops, I did not open this one. Also from Joan, bunch of stuff. Okay, we got a couple of pairs of girls' sunglasses. Got something stuck to me. A pink pair. And this is going to go in a girls' soccer box. It's a pink soccer box. And then a really cool looking pair. That is, it's hard for you to see. I don't want to take the time to take it out of the plastic. Can you see that? Isn't that cool? Some multicolored sunglasses. Oh. She sent the Hello Kitty stickers. These are, I think they're called skateboard stickers. Or they're waterproof stickers. You can stick them on water bottles and computers and, I don't know, stick them on a mirror, dresser. You can stick them on paper, but these are Hello Kitty, or you could stick them on a skateboard if you got one. Those are the Hello Kitty skateboard stickers. Love those. And sweatbands. These are multicolored sweatbands to go in all the sports-themed shoe boxes I'll be doing this year. And some will probably be left over for next year as well. Let's see if we can get one out here without crinkling too much. So this is an orange one. Let's see. Wow, these are nice and thick. Oh, I love these. These are great. I love these. It comes in so many colors, including navy, gray, green, blue, yellow, pink, purple, white, red. I think there's a black one in there and orange. Thank you so much, Joan. You are such a blessing. And then this was a week ago Friday. I received also from Joan, red pens. It's a 12 count of red pens. I put the red pens typically in the 10 to 14 shoe boxes. If I have any left over, I'll put them in the 5 to 9s, along with a blue and a black pen. And then, oh, I know what this is. Oh, I can't wait to see what these look like in the flesh. They're beautiful. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at these. These are compact mirrors. There's 6. Yeah, there's 6 in a box, and they're all different. Oh my gosh, I love these. I love these. Oh, let's see. These are fantastic. I really didn't know what to expect because the picture looked really pretty, but you know, sometimes, okay, well, I won't stick the mirror there. Isn't that pretty? It's on both sides. And they're that thick. These are fantastic. Thank you so much, Joan. Okay, also on Friday, something that I don't recognize. Oh my gosh. How cute is that? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. From Janet Hendrickson, the Rebel. I'm calling her the Rebel here. She sent this from the wish list. These are Little People Frozen characters. And I've got 2 frozen boxes. I'd like to split these up into. And then I'm calling her a rebel because she sent the cutest Chelsea doll in a car. Can you see what that is without the glare? There is quite a glare from my window. I told you it was sunny out. Isn't that cute? So this was not on the wish list, but so much appreciated. Oh, look at this. It has like little ribbons from the back of her car. This is so cute. Oh, and it comes with stickers so you can, so the little girl can decorate her little Chelsea car. It comes with stickers as well. Thank you so much. Thank you, Janet. And then also, I don't know what this is. I don't know what this is, but we are going to find out. Let's see if I can open that up. Okay, looks like I'm going to have to maybe do a 3rd unicorn box. Because I did one and I have another one coming up. And then she sent, is that not adorable? That is stinking cute. Okay, it's a little fuzzy purse, unicorn purse. I guess this is a whole set because it all came together in this bag. And then another little unicorn purse, a tiny one. Isn't that cute with the sparkles? These flip, oh, and they're flip. So they go silver and multicolored. How cute is that? And then a little keychain. It's got to be a keychain. Little unicorn keychain. Trying to hold this away from my microphone. I have tried doing this without the microphone, but it sounds like I'm in the bottom of a well or a tunnel. Just a little fuzzy ball microphone. Furry keychain, very cute. Oh, how cute is this? This is like a snap barrette. It's little bunny ears, or yeah, I guess it's bunny ears. Bunny ears. And then a little braid. Oh no, that's hair elastics. Hair elastics, more hair elastics. Oh, that's cute. The whole set. So we have a bunny clip and hair elastics. And there is yet another little unicorn purse. Oh my goodness gracious. Let's see. I'm sorry. This is crazy. Oh, these are so cute. Look at that. Another little furry unicorn purse. This is so, so cute. Wow. I wonder if I can fit one of these into that the unicorn box I've already done. Let's see what I can fit in there, slip in there. Janet, thank you so much for that. Okay, we have one more thing that came in her box. It is full. And we've got, looks like some more unicorn things. Oh. These are so cute. Look at this. These are little makeup bags. How many are there? That's 4, 5, 6. So we've got this one, that one, that one. Cute. Are those not cute? Oh my goodness. Super, super cute. So got 6 unicorn, I'm calling them makeup bags, but they're not going to have makeup in them. I can use them for anything, all sorts of things, all sorts of goodies. That is fantastic. Thank you so much, Janet. Janet the Rebel. Then on Saturday of last week, so not yesterday, but Saturday of last week, this is like the last thing I need for my fishing kits, and this is the 6-pound monofilament line for fishing. You need fishing line. And these are sent by Joan Cowan. Thank you so much, Joan. That is much appreciated. Now I think I've pretty much got everything I need. I don't think I have the well, I have a few bobbers. I can probably do my what's in my fishing kit video soon. Okay, we've got something heavy. Don't remember anything heavy being on my wish list. Oh, yes I do, I lied. These are crayons, but I think they are not the, yeah, I know what these are. Oh, perfect. Who sent this? Praying for the children who receive your pencil packs. God bless you as you packed. Foothills family, Jessica. Thank you so much, Jessica. These are the crayons to go in my pencil packs for these kids. And these are 75. I'm doing 100 packs. I have already purchased crayons for some of them. So this will fill the rest of them so I can finish those pencil packs. Thank you so much, Jessica. That is fantastic. Okay, we've got a couple more things in here. May the young man who receives this know how loved he is. Thank you so much for allowing us to be a small part of your packing. You are a blessing, friend. From Foothills Family, Jessica. Okay, I know what this is. She actually gave me a hint and she asked me a question. I'm pretty sure I know what it is. I can't wait to see it. This is a soccer cross. So that is the cross. Can you see that? It says, I can do all things, Philippians 4:13. I love that. That is fantastic. And it does come with a chain. But based on what she told me, I think what's in this package is another chain. This is to go with the boys 10 to 14 item we also sent. Blessings as you pack, friend. You are making an eternal impact on so many children's lives. From Foothills Family, Jessica. I think she just wanted to make sure that it was sent with a quality chain. So I'll probably send them out. Okay. Oh, actually, I like this chain better. Okay. Can you see that? So she sent an extra chain, and it comes in a little pouch. So as does the cross, came in its own little pouch there. Thank you so much, Jessica. That is so sweet of you. God bless you. So then on Tuesday of this past week, I received oh, nice. Nice. From Samantha L. Thank you for packing shoeboxes for OCC. I received 1 barrel of monkeys. That's going in a monkey business shoebox for a little one. I think it's going to be, I think it's 2 to 4. It's either 2 to 4 or 5 to 9. I don't even remember. 2 more calculators. This is a different style. This one is a little wider. Of course, the slimmer one that was sent by Joan, I think that was Joan that sent the other calculator. It's going to be probably, you know, the easiest to fit in a shoebox when you don't have a lot of room. However, this one, the buttons are further apart, so you know you don't make as many mistakes. And these Casios are very good quality. These are dual powered, as were the other ones, dual powered, and they already come with a factory installed battery. So these should last almost indefinitely with the solar and the backup battery for when the light is low. But yeah, so I'll have to decide which of the two I like the best going forward. That's going to be a hard call. You know, it's nice to have a little bit bigger calculator, but the other ones fit in the shoeboxes easier. So there you have it. Then she sent this book. It's The Ultimate Explorer, Reptiles and Amphibians. I am doing a 10 to 14 reptiles and amphibians box, and this is perfect. There is a lot of writing in here, but there are a lot of cool pictures. And if this young man is learning English, he'll be able to read it, but he doesn't have to. It has in big letters what the name of the reptile or amphibian is, and he can recognize them by looking at the pictures. That's cool. I love this. Perfect for that shoeboxes. So thank you so much, Samantha. That's fantastic. I appreciate that. These kids are going to be so blessed when they receive these shoeboxes. So Thursday of last week, and I'm sorry, I did not open these necessarily. Okay, does it have... It doesn't have who it's from, but I think I know who it's from because the packing slip says Jumbo Crayons. And Nicole and I had a conversation about this. If you remember my last Amazon unboxing, or maybe it was the one before, I received one package of the 8-count jumbo crayons in a box this big. It was just one package of crayons, and I couldn't figure it out. Well, it turns out that she had ordered 12 packs of crayons, but Amazon had goofed and only put one in the box. So she has been in contact with them, and they reshipped. So I'm pretty sure this is from you, Nicole. You're the only person it could have been from. So we have 12 packs of 8-count jumbo crayons for the 2 to 4 shoe boxes that I like to put these in. Thank you so much for that, and I'm sorry it was a hassle and that they shipped it wrong the first time, but I'm so glad that you got it straightened out. So those are from Kit Nicole. This past Friday, I received a package from, let's see, after feeling it, I had an idea what it is. I still think I know what it is. These are from Denise L. And they are MINGRU Ball Pumps. I have some of the colorful ones, and these are the black ones. I've used the black ones in the past. And you get 3. And I love the size of them. They're perfect for shoe boxes, yet still a really nice quality. They come with 2 nozzles and I think 3 or 4 needles. So thank you so much, Denise. I really appreciate you. And these kids are just going to be so happy to receive the soccer boxes with their ball pumps. Thank you so much. Then on Saturday, just yesterday, I guess this is, received from Joan Cowan, sent, oh, I know what this is. the bag threw me off. It's like a little gift bag. So I guess it comes with a little bit gift bag. These are the what do you call the bands? The eyeglass bands, sport bands, eyeglass sport bands. That's what they're called. Came with 2. Ooh, these are nice. Really nice quality. 2 nice eyeglass sport bands that even come with little gift boxes. Aren't those cute? Thank you, Joan. Those I'm going to put on the really cool sunglasses that came in the cases the black sunglasses that Valerie Caron sent. This is definitely a group effort. Thank you, girls, so much. And let's see what else Joan sent, because I don't know what this is. I have no idea. Oh, how cute. These are little necklaces. There's 6 different ones. This one is a ballet dancer. This one is a butterfly. We've got a unicorn. Trying to get it so the glare's not on there. There's a unicorn. And this one you can't really see. So we have a fairy. That is so cute. And a little kitty that looks like Hello Kitty to me. A lot like Hello Kitty. Boy, that sun from those blinds. Isn't that cute? Thank you, Joan. These are so sweet. I think the little girls who receive these are going to love them. Thank you, Joan. I really appreciate it. The last thing that I received today's Sunday. Oh, good. Sharpie markers to send along with all the soccer balls that we're sending this year. This is so they can mark their soccer balls and hopefully not lose them. And these were sent by Denise L. Thank you, Denise. Thank you, everyone. You guys are such a blessing to me and to this shoebox ministry, to these children. I appreciate you being so enthusiastic about sending things from the wish list. God bless you. I love you. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye now.